Namaskaram. A warm welcome to the 5th annual Marguerite in San Francisco Music and Dance Festival, hosted by National Ethnic Arts Incorporated, a nonprofit organization founded to preserve, promote, and celebrate ethnic arts. It's wonderful to see you all again here at this 5th annual Marguerite in San Francisco Festival. Marguerite, the 9th month in the Hindu lunar calendar, is a time of spiritual devotion and cultural celebration, steeped in bhakti and widely observed in southern India. This sacred season, from mid-December to mid-January, is traditionally marked by a rich tapestry of art and faith. The Marguerite in San Francisco Music and Dance Festival brings the spirit and essence of this beautiful season here to the United States. This year, we continue our exploration of the 108 Divya Desams of Lord Vishnu, moving forward with 30 additional temples after covering 20 last year. We owe special thanks to Sri Chitraveena Ravi Kiran sir for sharing his work on Lakshana Geetams dedicated to these sacred temples and for allowing us to incorporate it into the season. Thank you, sir, for all your generous support. Our trivia segments this season have been contributed by Srimati Lavanya Surendran, founder of OM LLC in Milwaukee.
Thiruvanmandur, Pambanayappan Sthalam, located 4 miles north of Senganur in Kerala, is believed to have been built by Nakulan, one of the Pandavas. The Sthalam is famous for its connection with the celestial sage Narada. According to legend, Narada visited this sacred place after receiving a shabam from Brahma, and he worshipped Pambanayappan, also known as Kamalanathan. Sriman Narayana appeared before him and expounded the teachings of Naradiya Puranam, which emphasizes the unity of Saivam and Vaishnavam, as well as the equal treatment of all humans. This Sthalam, built by Nakulan, is a significant place of worship for both Saivites and Vaishnavites. Markandeya Maharishi, a Chiranjeevi, also received the divine grace of Pambanayappan here. The deity is called Pamban Annai Appan, a name that reflects his association with both a snake, Pambu, and an elephant, Anai, symbolizing strength and protection. Several Utsavar idols were found during the digging of the earth and are placed in separate sannadhis. The Moolavar is Pamanayappan Kamalanathan in Ninja Tirukolam facing west. The Utsavar is Kamalanathan along with Kamalavalli Nachiyar, worshipped in Ninja Tirukolam. The temple festivals include the Brahmotsavam, celebrating the divine presence of Pamanayappan with a grand procession, Panguni Uttiram with special celebration of Kamalavalli Nachiyar's divine marriage with Pamanayappan, and Vaikunda Ekadasi, a day of fasting and special prayers for Pamanayappan. The Vimanam is Vedalaya Vimanam, and the Pushkarni are Pabanasa Tirtham and Pamban Tirtham. Nammalvar composed 10 pasarams on this Divya Desam.
now enjoy today's performances by
Namaskaram, I'm Sanjeevani Swaminathan. I'm from On Performing Arts, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. My guru is Srimati Lavanya Surender. I'm going to perform Varnam, Swami Nadime, composed by Sri Papanasam Shivan. Thalam is Adi, Ragam is Natakurinji. This Varnam highlights the feelings of bhakti towards Lord Shiva. The devotee expresses her thoughts and feelings by addressing the Lord. The first half, the devotee elaborates how Lord Shiva tested the devotion of Kannappa Nayanar, and also the devotee depicts how Lord Shiva quickly responded and rescued Markandeya from the clutches of Yama. In the second half, the devotee enunciates the feelings of separation from the Lord. Thank you.
tatini tatta tatini tatta tatta tatari tattanda tajjollo tatini tondere gargara tatini tatta tatini tatta tatta tatari tattanda tajjollo tatini tondere gargara dei tatini tatta tatini tatta tatta tari tanda jollo dini tondere gargara tatini tatta tatini tatta tatta tari tanda jollo dini tondere gargara tatini tatta tatini tatta tatta tari tatini tatta jollo dei tatini tatta tatini tatta tatta dei tatini tatini tatta jollo dei tatini tatta tatini tatta dei tatini tatini dei tatta tikku karga karigar dal tatta tikku karga karigar dal tatta tikku karga karigar dal tatini tatta tatini tatta dal tatini tatta jollo dei tatini tatta tatini tatta tatta dei tatini tatta jollo dal tatini tatta tatini tatta tatini dei tatta tikku karga karigar dal tatta tikku karga karigar dal tatta tikku karga karigar dal tatini tatta tatini tatta tatini tatta jollo dei tatini tatta tatini tatta dei tatini tatta jollo dal tatini tatta dei tatini dei tatta tikku karga karigar dal tatta tikku karga karigar dal tatta tikku karga karigar dal Begal gota kati kota kata diki tatum tak taka laka jom da diki taka tau 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 laka kati kita jom taka laka jom da diki taka tei taka kati kita jom taka laka jom da diki taka laka jom da diki taka taka laka taka laka Takatiku tadiki tatum, 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 takatiku karagadaigum, takatiku karagadaigum, takatiku karagadaigum. Jalangu taka tiku taka tadi kita tum tak taka nak jam tadi kita taka det jalangu taka jalangu tum taka det taka nak jam tadi kita taka det jalangu taka jalangu deh nam tadi kita taka tadi kita taka nam tadi kita taka tadi kita taka tadi kita tum jalangu dari gedung jalangu dari gedung jalangu dari gedung
Yes, sir.
Dadan kota kati kota kati kita tungkau tari kata nakau tanah terjun kau jun kati ni tak terjam kata kata tari kata nakau tanah terjun kata jun kati ni tak terjam kau tanah kau junu kau dini kau kita kau tanah kau junu kau dini kau kita kau tak kati kota din kena tuntut kau tak kati kota din kena tuntut kau tak kati kota din kena tuntut.
Thank you for the stunning performances today. We are honored to present each artist with the Kalam Prayatnam Award in recognition of their dedication to the arts and their contribution to the 5th Annual Margary in San Francisco. We look forward to welcome you all again tomorrow for another wonderful lineup of artists and more engaging trivia on the Divya Desams. This is Purvi Narayanan signing off. Namaskaram.
Thank you for joining us at the 5th Annual Margary in San Francisco Music and Dance Festival. We are thrilled to bring you the celebration of our rich cultural heritage through national ethnic arts. If you're enjoying our programs and want to support us, simply hit the link in the description to donate. Your contribution will help us continue bringing vibrant, high-quality performances to our community. Thank you for being part of this journey. Namaskar.